Hi, I'm Jeff with RPM LoneStar. If your rental feels like a second job, you're not alone. For many landlords, the late payments, maintenance calls, and constant oversight start to take over your nights, weekends, and peace of mind. At RPM LoneStar, we help you protect your asset, manage the day-to-day, and grow long-term wealth without the stress of doing it all yourself. Most do-it-yourself landlords spend their time putting out fires instead of building wealth. Late payments, repair issues, and vacancy stress take over fast. With RPM LoneStar, you get proven systems, expert oversight, and data-driven decisions that protect your asset and maximize returns. We help you reduce risk, prevent costly mistakes, and grow your long-term portfolio without the day-to-day headaches. At RPM LoneStar Austin, we step in so you can step back. Our local team turns your property into a hands-off, stress-free investment that grows over time. From screening residents to handling maintenance and renewals, we manage it all, so you can stop feeling overwhelmed and focus on what matters most. At RPM LoneStar, we don't just manage your property, we help you build long-term wealth. Our proactive approach protects your investment, keeps residents longer, and reduces costly turnover. With expert guidance and transparent communication, you can finally enjoy the rewards of ownership without the daily stress. Whether you own one rental or a growing portfolio, our systems are built to help you scale. With tools like Wealth Optimizer and Blanket, you get real data and expert insight to analyze your holdings, spot opportunities, and make smarter long-term investment decisions. At RPM LoneStar, we give you the guidance, clarity, and confidence to grow your portfolio with purpose, not guesswork. At RPM LoneStar, we're here to help you protect your time, grow your portfolio, and achieve your long-term goals as an investor. Whether you own one rental or many, we'll be the partner behind your peace of mind and long-term wealth. Schedule your free rental strategy session today. Let's turn your property into a long-term plan for financial success and build something bigger together.